I've got an absolute mess here. All these were in my storage. And I guess this summer it melted. So let's see. Look at that. I mean, it's just a mess. I come right out of the little dish it was in. I've got all these. And that's just wax everywhere. Look at that. These seem to be okay. So, can't put those back out. And that's like a big one down in there. It's even coming out the side. Just nasty. Anyway, we'll see what I can do with it. Melt it down and try to get started here. I bought this wax melter at Walmart. And as you can tell right there, this was used and brought back, so I'm not even sure it's going to work. It was less than $5, but it wasn't on clearance. So I don't know. We'll see what happens. Just kind of going through it. Well, this is man, it's just a mess. This one's kind of okay. It's, I don't know. You couldn't use it. I mean, it just go over. It's messed up. Look at this. It's all messed up. It's a lot of wax. So, I don't know. Maybe I'll just make me a couple of really big ones. Got this going. I still don't think it's working. A lot of wax though. Do something with it. This big old thing. I don't know. Maybe a mason jar with a couple of wicks in it. I've got 100, so I don't know. Just showing you what I'm starting with. And then over here, I'm not even sure that's worth digging out. We'll see. That's what's left of the crate. Just a little update. Show you where I'm at. Ooh, I'm not even sure it's worth it. I mean, I've just been cutting it and letting it fall through the holes. So, it's, I don't know. Got a lot of work ahead of me to get out of this crate, but that is a lot of wax. Probably not worth it, but I'm doing it anyway. I've got nothing else to do. So anyway, still at it. Got a good pile down in there though. We'll see. This is almost unbelievable. Watch this. Look at all that wax. It looks like raw meat. But anyway, I got it out. Unbelievable. Okay, so that's where we are. We'll get back ready. Get the melting. Okay, so ran to town and I could not find one. Turns out my mom had one. And I've already got 3 wicks down in there. And I used Quick Grip because I couldn't find any glue for my glue gun, but I had this on hand. So really, you can pretty much use anything, even tape. But what I'm going to do, I'm going to start off with all these pieces and just drop them down in there and let them slowly melt, and then just make layers and go from there, and hoping that this glass is going to hold up to the heat. Anyway, I'll let you know what happens. Get all this done. Alright, stay tuned. The wicks started melting with my concrete stuff, so I've got them in little jars. I'll put the wicks back in here and then pour in the melted wax slowly. I thought I could do it this way. Wrong. Okay, just an update. So, my end results and thoughts on the candle wax situation is It's not worth it. I've got about 12 hours into this mess. Conclusion. Throw it all in the trash. Go to the Dollar Tree and buy some candles and call it a day. It's not worth it. Total waste of my time. It takes forever to melt it. It's a mess. Look at these wicks. I mean, this is crazy. I'll never even be able to. This one's even stuck. I can't even get it off. It's just, this was a holy mess. Complete waste of time. For a couple of dollars, you can get pre-made candles, and so yeah, this is, I'm done with it. It's going to the trash. Science project over. I just don't recommend it. So there you have it. Anyway, hope we all learned something. See you later.